Zoomy, the Mophie, the power bank wallet, and the MyCharge wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter, and guess what I got today? I got not one, not two, not three, but four power banks that I wanted to do a review about. So at first will be this guy, which is Mophie, rugged kind of a power bank. I've been having this for 6 months already, all been tested. I love this power bank. We're going to jump in very soon. The second one will be Pocket Juice. The magic of this will be in the video, so keep on watching. And MyCharge, this thing is a whole different level of a power bank because it has got a lot of features which I'm going to show you very soon. And the last thing is, looks like a cheap wallet, right? But this is a $10 power bank wallet that you can carry money around. So let's go ahead and quickly jump in and see what we got in each of these power bank and what's unique about all these power banks that I selected for you guys. Alrighty guys, so at first we got the Mophie. The Mophie is one of the toughest in the industry. I have dropped this like few times, as you there are some scratches out here on the top. I like the Mophie because it's very rugged, and I have used this for a long time. So that's a USB 2.0 which will charge maybe like your phone. Maybe it's going to take a little bit of time to charge your phone because this is a 6000 mAh battery. I bought it for like 20-25 bucks. I do not know what is the recent. I will actually link this in the description. You can check it out in Amazon. So this is a very rugged power bank. You can drop this, nothing happens to this power bank. I mean, like, I can keep on dropping this, but I've used this for already a year. I think this is one of the best power banks for those guys, those who are not good with their stuff and they drop a lot of stuffs. This is pretty much rugged for this. The second product is a very interesting product. Now, I bought this for fun from Amazon, actually for 10 bucks. So it's a wallet. So when you open this up, you can keep a lot of stuffs in here. So for example, cards and everything, your money and everything, you can stack it up. And you can see there is a USB and a micro USB to charge. That's your charging thing. I've seen that I could charge my iPhone like 40%, so it will not charge your stuff full, but it's good to have kind of a backup, you know, like whenever you need some extra juice. Right now you'll see that I didn't charge this for maybe already like 2 to 3 days, but it's still holding that charge. So very well made for 10 bucks. I will link this in the description also. Then comes one of my best power banks that I like so far. What is so unique about this power bank? Well, the first thing is that when you see this, it actually has prongs, so you directly connect this. You do not need any sort of cables. It's a total hassle-free solution, though it's not very cheap. It's kinda expensive. It's around about 60-65 bucks, but I found this to be in a good deal in Amazon for like $40. A USB to charge your stuff. For example, if you want to charge a USB-C or you're charging your GoPro or anything, you will see that's a USB. But watch this. Inside this is already pre-built a cable for your iPhone. The cable actually is coming with it, and on this one, and there is a thing to charge Android phones like micro USB. Recently they have also started making USB-C versions because micro USB is more or less dead. Not a lot of phones are using micro USB, but a definite recommendation. I have already used this for 6 months down the line. I have faced no problem. It charges my phone like one time because this is around about 6000 mAh one. There is an 8000 mAh and then there is a 12000 mAh. Highest recommendation is this. If you guys do not want to carry any cables, I take this to work every single day because this is kind of my power bank and it has all the cables that I need and basically need to charge my devices. I usually carry this to my drone field and I do go for photo shoots and everything with this. The product I'm going to show you is the Zoomy Pocket Juice. This thing is a monster. 20,000 milliampere of battery. 20,000 milliampere. Now, a lot of companies claim they have 20,000. This is a tested 20,000. On this, you'll see a Qualcomm 3.0 fast charging port and a regular 2.4 fast charging port, which means that this product can charge your iPad, iPhones, and apart from that, it has a USB-C out, which means I can guarantee you this. I tested this out on my Mac. This guy actually holds the charge for the Mac. It's massive, as you can see. It's like massive, but it's pretty useful. Now, when you press this button on the side, it's a power indicator. Right now it's 52% charge. It takes a lot of time to charge, but once it's charged, man, you're gonna get a day at least charging 4 or 5 devices. To be very frank, this power band actually charged 2 of my Pocket drones like 2 times. So this is a highest recommendation. This will be for those people, those who just want it simple, want an iPhone cable built in and a micro USB cable built in. This is going to be for those guys who just need a little bit of their visas and money in it, and they want only a little bit of juice, like an emergency one. And these are for those guys, those who are doing a lot of adventure stuff. Alrighty guys, so you guys already saw the Zoomy, the Mophie, the power bank wallet, and the MyCharge wallet. What you think is best for you, you guys gonna select. I'll be posting a link of Amazon for each of these products. I bought it myself from Amazon. You can check out in the description. Everything will be in the description. Do comment what you think is better for you, but I really think that the Zoomy takes it a notch apart, because this can charge your MacBook Pro. I mean, not charge, but hold the charge of your MacBook Pro. So for example, you're in an emergency situation or in a meeting, you're 2% of the battery, you don't know what to do. If you have this thing in your bag, you can still get around. This charged my tablet 2 times, my iPhone 3 times, and it held my MacBook Pro's charge for at least 25 minutes. Didn't charge it, but held the charge for 25 minutes. So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.